Okay, we're gonna make a weird noise.
Okay, like on the count of 3, let's make the weirdest noise we can.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
You just faded
What
for it.
was that?
I think Donald Duck drowning. Imagine that. It's like ay 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 ay. Ay 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 ay.
I know someone that can do a really good Donald Duck impression.
Who?
His name's Austin Johnson.
Props to him. Oh! Woo! Ah!
Hey, watch this.
Oh, you hear that?
I'm gonna win.
Aha! I got shield. Oh! Oh! Ooh! 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 Ooh!
I
Ooh!
got an
Ooh!
achievement that says 30 coins for YOLO.
For YOLO?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, is it because like you only lived once and you didn't die any?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Hey guys, alright, everybody, if you're watching this, go like this to your eyes. And just hold it down there, okay? Just keep looking at your screen and hold them down. Hold your eyes down like this. Everything goes black. Everything. And then you stop doing it, and it takes a while for everything to come back. I can see now. Okay.
Magic tricks with Josh the Emoticon.
Alright, this is gonna be the last one, because I'm gonna win.
No, I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win a lollipop. Oh, that in case we should do Lollipop Island or something. Oh, Slushy Cave. Slush slash. I got a heart.
I'm waiting until your power-up's gone.
Ah, right when it ended. Ouch. This is broken, dang darn it.
I always beat Brooklyn Snipes.
Oh,
Like,
Brooklyn.
he gets so mad, because I'm not kidding, every time I beat him.
Has he turned into gorilla mode? He's like,
No,
I don't know.
he actually sounds like that
Yeah.
when he's mad.
What the? Oh, I'm coming in like a long shot, man. Like, I'm going off right now. Until there's lightning strikes.
No, no, no,
Yeah,
no.
yeah. Woo! We did it. I don't know what happened. GG. No re. Okay. You could go poop now. Oh.
Okay, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this, drop a like up, subscribe.
Drop a like on his video.
Smack that like button if you love Jesus, and
What he said.
don't poop on sidewalks, and
Make sure don't poop on orange things, like an orange. Unless you have an orange toilet.